Hi everyone. We're thrilled to introduce USI's cutting-edge software solutions powered by USI AI-OS technology. Our AI-driven solutions are revolutionizing smart retail, inventory management, and warehouse optimization. Plus, with our zero NRE friction-free business model, as our clients, you are only charged for usage or an annual per copy license fee, whatever suits your needs best. With our full stack and domain-specific AI software solutions, we handle everything from ground truth dataset generation to advanced AI model fine-tuning and optimization. This comprehensive approach makes it easier for companies to scale AI-driven mobile applications effectively. Today, we'll showcase USI AI-OS Smart Retail, demonstrating how our full-stack AI solutions drive precision and efficiency in retail operations. From accurate dataset curation to high-speed, power-efficient model optimization, USI is set to redefine how AI integrates with business operations on edge devices. Now, let's see how USI AI-OS Smart Retail can unlock new possibilities for retail success.
Excuse me. Can you help me check the price of this?
Sure. Oreo original price. Oh, there we go. $2.80. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, I'm allergic to gluten. Do you have like a gluten-free version?
Is there a gluten-free version? Oh, there we go. On aisle 2. Gluten-free Oreo cookies, $3.49.
Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can let me know if you need anything.
Okay. Hi there.
Hey.
Can you please help me check the price of these apples?
Sure. Take a picture. Red Delicious apples, the price is $4.95. Oh, is there anything else you want to know about them?
Actually, can you help me check where these apples are from and when's the best buy date?
Okay. Where are these apples from and what is the best buy date? Location is Iowa, USA, and the best buy date is December 25th.
Perfect. I'll grab 2 bags for Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you so much.
You're welcome and happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
We are confident that USI's AI-OS solutions will transform your business, delivering smarter and more efficient operations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you unlock your business's full potential with USI's AI technology.